welcome back. In this video we will see how to print double-sided card from Canva. So guys, if you want to print double-sided card in Canva, so guys it is very easy. First of all guys, you open Canva in your computer. After opening Canva, here you see the option of create. Okay, just click it, and here you see what would you like to create. So you simply search business card. Here you see, choose the business card according to you. Okay, so I like to choose the landscape card. After open this guys, here you see that it suggests some cards. Okay, like the Chrome Garage, Richard Sanches, okay, Matt Zhang. So you choose any of the card, and if you want to create the different one, so you search here and style. Okay, otherwise you simply choose any beautiful card. So I like this one, so just click on it. Those cards shows this crown icon, so it's mean they are a premium. So you just go and click here. Now apply both pages. Make sure apply the both pages. Here is your business card dimensions. Now here you see, this is your card, this is your front page, and this is your back side. Okay, now when you edit according to you, you simply go and click on the option of share. After that, here you see the option of download. So when you click on download, then go for the save download settings. For this you just go here and select all pages. Okay, then click on the option of done. Okay, and here you change the file type into the PDF print, best for printing. Just click here and download. After download, you simply open your file and print it into the two-sided. Currently I'm not attached any printer. You just go here, and guys here you see the option of all two pages. Here is your page size. If you want to do some custom things, so you also do it there. Okay, here is your layout, page direction, reverse page, border, so a lot of the things. So you choose according to you, and I suggested you at the printing time you use any professional help. Okay, and contact with a professional that work in such type of field. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.